Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on KuCoin. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in kucoin.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for KuCoin. Now in order to sign up, click on the sign up option at the top right corner and you will be asked to enter your phone number or your email address. Just type in either one of these within the given box and then enter a referral code if you have one. You can then click on the checkbox for the terms of use and then click on the create account and claim reward option. You will now be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address or your phone number. So check your inbox and you will find your verification code. Copy this code and paste it within the verification box and now you will be allowed to create your password. Just type in your preferred password by following all the requirements and click on confirm. And now you have been successfully signed up to your account and you will be asked to verify your account by filling up your KYC. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on KuCoin. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.